Cracks modify software to bypass licensing, often requiring deep system access, making them perfect for hiding malware. Common threats include Trojans that open backdoors for hackers, keyloggers that steal passwords and credit card details, ransomware that locks your files and demands payment, and crypto miners that secretly use your CPU power. Many cracks disable antivirus programs or trick users into turning off security features, making infections even harder to detect. Some cracks seem clean at first, but silently download malware later. Real-world cases include KMS which has spread Trojans, Photoshop cracks that contained info-stealing malware, and game cracks that delivered botnets. Even if a crack works, you never really know what's inside. Instead of risking your system, use free and open-source alternatives like GIMP for Photoshop or LibreOffice for Microsoft Office. Most cracks contain malware, and even the ones that don't still put you at risk. Is saving a few bucks really worth losing your data, privacy, or entire system?